What if the fatigue you feel every single day is not about aging, not about stress, but about an organ silently drowning in fat right now? Over 100 million Americans are living with fatty liver disease, and most of them have no idea. No dramatic symptoms, no warning signs, just a quiet, invisible buildup that is slowly stealing your energy, slowing your metabolism, and aging you from the inside out. Here is what makes this even more alarming. After age 50, your liver loses nearly 35% of its ability to break down fat. That means the foods you eat today hit differently than they did a decade ago. And the standard advice, eat less, move more, is not enough. But here is what the research actually shows. 6 specific natural foods can trigger your liver to start burning stored fat and flushing out toxins, some within just a few hours of eating them. We ranked them from least to most powerful, and number 6 increased liver fat oxidation by up to 50%. Before we dive in, tell me in the comments, how old are you, where are you watching from, and have you ever been told your liver enzymes are elevated? Drop it below, and I will personally reply. Now let us get into it. The shortest path to a cleaner, fat-free liver starts here. Not with expensive supplements, not with restrictive diets, just 6 foods ranked from good to extraordinary, each one targeting your liver through a completely different biological mechanism. Let us go through them one by one. Number 1, raw radish. This one earns a 5 out of 10, and here is why it makes the list at all. Raw radish contains a group of compounds called glucosinolates. When you chew raw radish, those glucosinolates break down and signal your liver to produce more bile. Bile is your liver's primary weapon for dissolving dietary fat. The same way dish soap breaks down grease on a pan. More bile means more fat gets emulsified before it ever has a chance to accumulate in liver tissue. The honest limitation, the real-world impact is modest, around 6% improvement in fat clearance, unless you are eating a significant amount daily. For older adults, raw radish is best used as a consistent side addition to meals rather than a standalone solution. Slice it thin, eat it fresh and uncooked, and pair it with your lunch 3 to 4 times per week to keep bile production stimulated over time. Number 2, dandelion leaf with lemon. At 6 out of 10, dandelion leaf starts moving into genuinely useful territory. The active compound here is taraxacin, a bitter glycoside found almost exclusively in dandelion. Taraxacin directly stimulates the liver to upregulate its own detox enzymes, the proteins responsible for identifying and neutralizing harmful substances before they enter your bloodstream. A clinical review published in the journal Molecules confirmed that dandelion extract meaningfully increased liver enzyme activity in subjects with early-stage fatty liver. Adding fresh lemon juice serves a second purpose. The citric acid helps your body absorb taraxacin more efficiently while simultaneously alkalizing the digestive environment, reducing the inflammatory load your liver has to manage. One important note for older adults taking blood pressure medication. Dandelion has a natural diuretic effect. This is not dangerous, but it can amplify the effect of certain antihypertensives. Steep, fresh, or dried dandelion leaves in hot water for 8 minutes. Squeeze in half a lemon and drink it mid-morning between meals. If you are on any cardiac or blood pressure medication, speak with your doctor before making this a daily habit. Number 3, turmeric with black pepper and ginger. This combination scores 8 out of 10, and it earns that score because the science behind it is among the most replicated in nutritional medicine. Turmeric contains curcumin, a polyphenol that works directly inside liver cells to interrupt the fat storage signal. A 2021 meta-analysis published in Nutrients found that curcumin supplementation reduced hepatic fat accumulation by up to 32% in patients with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. The problem most people never solve is absorption. Curcumin on its own is poorly bioavailable, meaning your body absorbs very little of it. black pepper contains piperine, and research from the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry demonstrated that piperine increases curcumin absorption by 2,000%. That number is not a typo. Ginger adds a third layer by reducing the liver inflammation that fat accumulation triggers, giving curcumin a cleaner environment to work in. For daily use, mix half a teaspoon of turmeric powder with a pinch of black pepper and a small piece of freshly grated ginger into warm water or a light broth. Drink it in the morning or 30 minutes before your largest meal of the day. Number 4. Arugula with olive oil. Arugula, sometimes called rocket, scores 8. 5 out of 10 because it activates something most liver foods completely ignore. Phase 2. Detoxification. Your liver runs detox in 2 stages. Phase 1 breaks toxins apart. Phase 2 binds those broken fragments to carrier molecules so they can be safely excreted. Most people's Phase 2 system is chronically underperforming, which means partially processed toxins pile up inside liver tissue. Arugula's glucosinolates specifically upregulate the enzymes responsible for Phase 2 clearance. When you add extra virgin olive oil, the oleic acid it contains sends a direct biochemical signal to liver cells, instructing them to oxidize stored fat, rather than continue stockpiling it. Research from the European Journal of Nutrition showed that oleic acid supplementation significantly reduced liver fat content in older adults over a 12-week period. Eat arugula raw, dressed simply with cold-pressed olive oil and a squeeze of lemon. Cooking destroys the glucosinolates. This is a food that must be eaten fresh to deliver its full effect. Number 5. Raw garlic. Raw garlic sits at 9 out of 10 for one reason that separates it from almost everything else on this list: allicin concentration. Allicin is only produced when raw garlic is crushed or chopped, and then left to rest for 10 minutes before consumption. This resting period allows the enzyme alliinase to fully convert alliin into active allicin. Allicin is one of the most potent natural activators of liver detox enzymes ever studied. A controlled trial published in Advanced Biomedical Research found that participants who consumed raw garlic daily for 24 weeks saw a 44% improvement in liver fat index scores compared to the control group. For older adults, this is a meaningful number because it represents real, measurable change in liver composition. Crush 1 or 2 small cloves, wait 10 minutes, then eat them directly or blend them into food. Cooking eliminates the allicin entirely. The smell is unavoidable, but the liver benefit is unmatched by any supplement version. Number 6. Beet with ginger and lemon. A perfect 10 out of 10 and the undisputed king of liver recovery foods. Beet contains betalains, a class of pigment compounds that research has shown can increase liver fat oxidation by 45 to 50% within just a few hours of consumption. That is not a gradual effect over months. It begins working the same morning you drink it. Now, there is a specific preparation method that maximizes everything betalains: ginger's anti-inflammatory gingerols, and lemon's citric acid can do together. And when you combine all 3 in the right ratio at the right time of day, the result is something closer to a targeted liver protocol than a simple juice. Stay with me, because the exact formula, the timing, the preparation steps, and the one mistake that destroys the entire batch come up next. The formula I use to flush liver fat and reset my metabolism every single morning takes less than 5 minutes to make, costs almost nothing, and contains 3 ingredients that work together in a way that no single supplement on the market can replicate. This is not a trend. This is biochemistry. And once you understand exactly what happens inside your liver within hours of drinking this, you will never want to skip a morning again. The 3 ingredients are 1 medium-sized beet, freshly peeled and cut into chunks, 1 inch of fresh ginger root, roughly 2.5 centimeters, the juice of 1 whole lemon, and 240 milliliters of clean water. That is it. No protein powder, no expensive add-ins. Just these 3, blended together until completely smooth, and consumed on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. Now, let us talk about what is actually happening inside your body when you drink this, because the mechanism is specific and it is impressive. The beet is carrying a pigment compound called betalain. Betalains are not just responsible for that deep red color. They are powerful activators of a liver enzyme pathway called betaine homocysteine methyltransferase, which directly supports fat oxidation inside hepatocytes, your liver cells. A study published in Nutrients found that betaine derived from beet consumption increased hepatic fat oxidation by 45 to 50% within just a few hours of intake. That means your liver is not slowly chipping away at stored fat over weeks. It starts burning it the same morning. The ginger enters the picture as an anti-inflammatory agent with a very targeted effect. Chronic liver fat accumulation triggers something called hepatic inflammation, a low-grade internal fire that makes it harder for your liver to process toxins and metabolize fat efficiently. Gingerols, the active compounds in fresh ginger, suppress the inflammatory cytokines responsible for that internal resistance. Research from the World Journal of Gastroenterology confirmed that ginger supplementation significantly reduced markers of liver inflammation in patients with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease over an 8-week period. The lemon juice does two things simultaneously. Its citric acid stimulates bile secretion, which accelerates fat breakdown in the digestive tract before it even reaches the liver. And its vitamin C content protects betalains from oxidative degradation during digestion, meaning more of the active compound actually survives long enough to reach your liver cells intact. Here is the preparation rule that most people get wrong. Do not make this the night before. The betalains and gingerols begin breaking down within 2 to 3 hours of blending, which means an overnight batch delivers a fraction of the benefit. Blend it fresh each morning, drink it immediately, and wait at least 30 minutes before eating anything. One thing worth knowing for those of you managing kidney health specifically, beet contains oxalates, and if you have a history of kidney stones, please check with your doctor before adding this daily. Your urine may also turn pink or light red after drinking it, which is completely harmless, and simply means the betalains are moving through your system. Commit to 30 consecutive mornings, and what you are likely to notice first is not dramatic weight loss, it is energy. Clearer mornings, less bloating after meals. Those are your liver telling you it is finally getting what it needs.